It is still dark outside, but I am already working. This is how every morning starts for me. It's so cold out here. Why do I always have to do the dishes when everyone else is still sleeping? My fingers are so sore. The water is so cold. But I have to keep scrubbing. Keep going, Sophie. Don't give up. It has to be clean before morning.
I'll dirty all the dishes so Sophie can clean them again.
My stepmother is very bad. Very, very bad.
Not clean enough. Wash it again. Do it properly this time. Do not waste my time, Sophie.
Yes, I will wash it again. I am sorry. I will make it cleaner this time. I promise I will. Now I sweep the floors. Every corner. Every room. I have to do it all before they wake up. Just to the house. Almost there. 1, 2. Keep going. It's too heavy. My hands. It hurts. Please help.
Can't do one simple thing.
I'm sorry.
Pathetic. You spilled it all. Look what you did! You're wasting my water! Get up on your feet, right now!
I didn't mean to, I promise.
And do not make any noise. I want complete silence in this house. Do you understand me, Sophie?
Sometimes I stop for just 1 second, and I look outside. But there is no time to feel sad. I wipe my tear, and I keep going. I always keep going. I didn't mean to cry. I'm okay, really. It doesn't even hurt anymore. I can see the other children outside. They are laughing and playing. They look so happy and free. I wonder what it feels like to just play, to just laugh.
Why are you standing there? Stop dreaming and get back to work. Right now, Sophie. Move!
Yes, I am sorry. I will get back to work right now. I am sorry for stopping. I am sorry. I am scrubbing the floor now. But I can still hear them. Laughing outside, playing outside, free. That little girl is spinning around. She looks so happy. I used to laugh like that. I try not to cry, but sometimes the tears just come. I cannot stop them, they just come out. No, I wipe it away. I cannot be sad. There is still so much work to do. I have to keep going. The children have all gone home now, to their families, to warm food, to people who love them. It is raining so hard tonight, but I still have to take the trash out. I always have to keep working. Wait, I can hear something. A very small sound. What is that? Where is it coming from out here? Oh, you poor little thing. You are shaking so much. Do not be scared. I am not going to hurt you. I am picking you up. You are so tiny and so cold. I will keep you warm. It's okay, little one. You're safe now. Let's get you warm and dry. I have to hide her. If they see her, they will make me throw her away. I cannot let that happen. We made it inside. Nobody saw us. You are safe now, little one. You are safe in here with me. Oh, you poor little thing. Don't worry, Sophie's got you. You're safe now. Let me dry you. There we go, nice and gentle. You are going to be okay. I will take care of you. And look at you. You are so beautiful. Your fur is so white and soft. Do not be scared anymore. I found you, and I will keep you safe. I promise you that, little one. Ow, who's a good kitty? Yes, you are. You're safe with me now. I think I will call you Snowy, because you are as white as snow. Hello, Snowy. I am Sophie. This is all I have for tonight, Snowy. Just this small piece of bread. But I want to share it with you. You make me smile, Snowy. I forgot what smiling felt like. Snowy, I am so glad I found you tonight. This room feels different now. Listen, you are purring. You are really purring, Snowy. That means you feel safe. Even after all the chores, when I come back to this room, Snowy is here waiting for me. Always. You understand me, right, Snowy? You are the only one who really listens to me. This small room used to feel so lonely and so cold. But now with you here, Snowy, it feels like home. Thank you for finding me, Snowy. Or maybe I found you. Either way, I am so glad we found each other. I am sweeping the front yard again. Snowy is sleeping inside. I cannot wait to go back to her. Sweeping in the morning sun, making sure the chores are done. Hope my Snowy sleeps okay.
Oh, excuse me. Have you seen a small white kitten? She has bright blue eyes. Her name is Snowbell. Excuse me. Have you seen a small white kitten? She has bright blue eyes. Her name is Snowbell. Have you seen Snowball? He's my cat. He went missing yesterday near the park. Please, if you see him, call me right away.
A small white kitten, bright eyes, Snowbell. That sounds exactly like... No.
Oh, sir, she is very small, all white, very soft fur. She went missing 5 days ago.
5 days ago? That is exactly when I found Snowy. In the rain. It is her. It is really her kitten. Snowy, you have a real owner. Someone is out there looking for you. I do not want to lose you, Snowy. You are my only happiness. You are everything to me right now. That woman is so worried. I can see it. She loves Snowbell so much. I know exactly how that feels. If Snowy was mine and someone had her, I would want them to give her back. I would want that so much. Love means doing what is right, even when it hurts so much, even when it breaks your heart completely. Good night, Snowy. I love you so much. And because I love you, tomorrow I will do the right thing. Good morning, Snowy. Today is the day. I made my decision. I know what I have to do today. Let me hold you one more time, Snowy. Just one more time, please. I am going to miss you so much. You made me smile, Snowy. You made this room feel warm. You made me feel less alone. I am going to find that woman now. I have to be brave. I have to do the right thing. I have to. I can see her. She is still looking. She is still so worried. Okay, Sophie. Excuse me. I think I found your kitten. I found her in the rain.
Snowbell. Oh, my Snowbell. Is it really you? Oh, my goodness. I have been looking everywhere for you. She knows me. She jumped to me. Oh, Snowbell. I missed you so much, my little one. Oh, I found you. I was so worried you were gone. I am happy she is safe. I am happy she is back with you. I am really happy. I really, truly am. Do not cry, Sophie. Do not cry. You did the right thing. You did the right thing.
Wait, dear. Are you okay? You are crying. Did you love her very much?
Sister, the kitten has been found. A little girl just brought it back. What? Are you serious? The little girl came back? Yes, but she didn't look okay. Her hands were injured and she seemed really scared. I think something is wrong. Then we can't ignore this. We have to help her right now. Really scared. I think something is wrong.
My name is Sophie. I found Snowbell in the rain 5 days ago. She was cold and alone and shaking.
You kept her safe and warm for 5 whole days? And then you brought her back to me? Thank you, Sophie. Sophie? Your hands. They look so sore and so red. What happened to your hands, dear? Tell me.
It is nothing. I just do a lot of washing and cleaning at home. It is okay. I am used to it now. Sophie?
Why are you wasting time standing there? Get back inside right now and finish your work.
Yes! I am sorry. I am coming right now. Wait.
That little girl. Her hands. Her eyes. The way she flinched. Something is very wrong here. She returned my kitten even though she loved her. And nobody even said thank you properly to her.
I got your message. I came as fast as I could.
What happened?
What is wrong?
Tell me everything.
Carlos, there is a little girl in that house. Her hands are sore. Her eyes are so tired and so sad.
She returned your kitten, even though it broke her heart. That tells me everything about who she is.
Yes? What do you want? Who are you? Why are you standing at my door this morning?
Good morning. My name is Maria.
Your daughter Sophie returned my lost kitten to me this morning.
We can see Sophie from here, and she is scrubbing the floor on her hands and knees.
This is none of your business. She does her work. That is all. Now please, leave my doorstep.
Sophie, do you remember me? I am the woman whose kitten you returned this morning. I am Maria.
I remember you. You are Snowbell's owner. Is she okay? Is she safe and happy with you now?
She is safe and very happy. But right now, I am more worried about you, Sophie. Are you okay, dear?
Why is Sophie always scared? She's just a child.
You don't understand. She needs discipline.
This is not discipline, Dakyua. She looks hurt and alone.
That's none of your business. Your business. It is my business when a child is suffering.
Sophie, I want to ask you something important. And I want you to listen to me very carefully, okay? Would you like to come with us, Sophie? To a real home where you are safe.
A real home? With no shouting and no punishment? And people who actually want me there? Yes, Sophie.
A real home. We want you there, not as a helper.
But as family.
Our family, Sophie.
You really mean it? You are not just saying it? You really, truly want me to come with you?
We mean every single word, Sophie. Every word. Now come here, my dear. Come here right now.
I do not know why you are doing this for me, but thank you. I am so grateful. Thank you so much.
Shh, it's okay. I'm right here. Everything is going to be all right.
This is your home? It is so warm and so beautiful. I have never seen a house that feels like this. But it is so warm inside. And it smells so nice. There is no shouting.
This is your home now too, Sophie.
Mhm.
You do not have to work here, and you just have to be a child.
Snowy, you are here too. You are really here. Oh, Snowy, we are together again. There is so much food,
Warm food.
real food, and it is all on the table just for us.
So, come and sit down, Sophie. This chair is for you. Sit here beside me. The food is getting warm for you.
Yes, Sophie. Just sit and eat. No work, no chores. Just a warm meal with your family, and that is all.
Eat slowly, sweetheart. And there is no rush. There is always enough here for you. Always. Every day.
It is so warm and so good. I cannot remember the last time food felt this warm.